Linear regression. Okay, linear regression is about a straight line. Okay, see, you can see the straight line and see where the data is scattered. Okay, the distance from the straight line to the data, okay, the plot of the data is called standard error of measures. Okay, it means that if all the data lies on the straight line, so the standard error of measures is very low or maybe almost zero. Okay, while you can see here, there is slightly error of measures because it's not fall on the straight line. Okay, how to run this linear regression? First, you need to state the hypothesis and then run the linear regression using SPSS and then interpret the results where R is the correlation, R squared is the percentage of data fit the model. So that's the percentage. Okay, and then generate the linear regression equation as follow. You can get this y is the dependent variable. So write the dependent variable. And then x is the independent variable and a is the constant you will get from the result. And then b is the coefficient of independent variable. Okay, so that's all the best.